Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link Gmail on Outlook. So first open Outlook, and then on the upper left part of your screen, click on File. Then here you'll have an option to click Add Account. Click on that. And then type in here the email address or the Gmail that you want to add. So let's say we want to add this one. Click on Connect. And then it will route you to log in on your Google account. So click Next. And then enter the password. Oh. Click Sign In. And then here, click Allow. Just wait for it to fully load. And here it says the account is successfully added. Click on Done. And as you can see in here, the other email that we have is added on our Outlook. Might not see the inbox or your emails immediately, mainly because it will load first in order for it to accept the data. But you just need to wait for it for like 15 to 20 minutes and it will sync in there. And that's how to link Gmail on Outlook. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.